In this video, I will show you how to add an Instagram feed to Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Instagram feed, and you'll see different apps appear. Look for a reliable option like InstaFeed, click on it, and then click Install to begin the setup process. Once you click Install, Shopify will ask for permission. Just confirm it, and the app will start installing on your store. After installation, open the app and you'll be asked to connect your Instagram account. Click on Connect Instagram and it will redirect you to Instagram. Log in and allow access so the app can display your posts on your store. Now, click on Add to Theme. Select the page where you want to display the feed, and you'll see it appear in the editor. You can customize the feed by adding a title and adjusting the layout to match your store design. Make sure everything looks good, then click Save. When you view your website, the Instagram feed will be displayed just like this. That's it, your Instagram feed is now added to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.